In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a vignette to your photos in Lightroom Classic. To begin, select the photo over here. Next, go to the Develop module and come over to this panel over here. And what you want to do is to come under the Effects tab. If you found this closed, you want to scroll down to the extreme bottom over here and select Effects. And under Effects, you'll find Post Crop Vignetting. Now what you want to do is to first of all adjust the amount of vignette. If you scroll this amount to the right, you'll be adding white vignette. But if you take it to the left, you'll be adding some black vignette. I'm going to set mine to somewhere around 49. And you can slightly reduce the value for midpoint also. And you can increase the amount of feather over here. Now if I come over here and deselect this, you can see what we initially had. And if I turn this back on, you can see what we have. And that's it guys on how to add vignettes to photos in Lightroom Classic.